Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new session in which we will understand some important results. Okay, so if I will ask you to find out scalar triple product, you know that you guys are comfortable with the determinant method. If determinant is not applicable, we used to go with the orthodox idea, that is a dot b cross c or cross b dot c. Suppose that we have a vector which is written in the form of vector, means like this. So vector A is a combination of L vector plus M vector plus N vector. Same vector C, same vector B. So under this scenario, how we will find out the STP? So look at this, how we will respond. So you will be writing vector A, vector B, vector C, box product. Now you will write down the coefficients first. So it is A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3, determinant. Okay, and then you will go with STP of vector L, vector M, vector N. Okay, and you have to make sure that this vector L, M, and vector N are non-coplanar. Okay, it should be non-coplanar vectors. Okay, now look at this. Sometimes what will happen, like, you know that if you need to find out scalar triple product, we guys are comfortable with the determinant method. If it is not applicable, we will go with the orthodox one, a dot b cross c or a cross b dot c. Suppose that vector is written in the form of combination of vectors, so we will go with this idea. Now the point is, suppose that you cannot apply any one of these ideas, but you can find out a dot b, b dot c, means you guys can find out the dot products. Then how will you respond? So the idea is, in that case you will be writing vector a, vector b, vector c, box product square. This time you will get answer as square. And look at this, how we will write. We will be writing a, b, c. Look at the pattern I am writing. A, B, C. A, B, C. Okay, so this way you will be writing A, B, C, and then again A, B, C. A, B, C. A, B, C. A, B, C. So this determinant. And this time you will get what? Square of STP. Okay, so these results you have to digest. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.